I've got another package. This package is from Wiskf, Wiskf. They have beautiful project bags, and they let me pick out a couple of them to show you. So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, wow. This is a really cute tote bag. Look at this. This has owls and birds and some leaves and little umbrellas with some rain. And this is like a canvas bag, a very nice size, the flat bottom, and some nice long handles. And what I really liked about this bag is that there is a zipper, so you don't have to worry about anything falling out. And then if you open it up, there's also another little zipper pouch on the inside for like your little notions. And this is like a nice little nylon lining. Very cute. Oh, this is an adorable pattern. Oh, I just love the colors. So, so cute. I love it. And the next thing I got was this cute little quilted bag, and it says, "Today mood, feel the warmth in our daily life and the mood." I'm not really sure what that means, but it's really super cute. And it has little flowers all over it. Little ice cream cones. Oh, this is so adorable. Love that. And so then you open it up. This is perfect for a small project bag. There's a little netted pocket right here for like your crochet hooks or whatever you wanted. You could also use this as like a little makeup bag. And this is really nice. It's really cute and quilted. It has a nice little handle on it. It's a great size. I thought it was so cute. I love the little ice cream cones on here, the little flowers and everything. Absolutely adorable. So I would highly recommend getting these bags. Wiskf has like so many bags, so many characters on their bags, little themes and everything like that. These are just two of the cutest little things I've seen on their website, but they have tons. They have a lot of gnome items too, if you like gnomes. So go ahead and check them out. They are having a Black Friday sale going on through the 30th of November, and you'll save 25% off. And then if you use the code CROJO05 off, you will get 5% off of your purchase in addition to the 25%. So make sure you check that out. I'll go ahead and link these down in the description box down below. And I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you like this video, make sure you check out these right here.